Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to make chicken. I'm going to bake the chicken legs in the oven. But we're going to season this with honey, soy sauce, ketchup, and the garlic. So let's get started here. We're going to put, can you see this? Okay, so we're going to put 1 tablespoon of the garlic into my bowl, into my mixing bowl. Okay, we're going to put half a cup, actually, yeah, I'm going to put half a cup of the honey. Where am I here? Okay. I'm a little bit off today. Half a cup of honey. Okay, that looks about right. Then we're going to put, so let's pour this in here. Okay. Then we're going to put 3/4 cups of soy sauce. Where's my mark? Oh, we're going to be here all day if I have to do it this way. Let's see if we can get this. Oh, I can't undo it. Okay, we're going to be here for a while. 3/4 cup. I can't undo it. And when it, okay, I don't have the strength. I need the patience. We're nearly there. We're nearly done. Okay. 3/4 cup of soy sauce. And now we're going to put in half a cup of ketchup. Perfect. So, we're going to mix that up nice. And because I need to melt the honey a little bit, so I'm going to put this in the microwave only for like 30 seconds. "30 seconds should do it. Then we're going to pour that. So, you got that, right? We put half a cup of honey, 3/4 cups of soy sauce, and then some ketchup. We mix it all up together. Nice. And we're going to pour that over the chicken. Then we're going to throw this in the oven. Put the oven at 350. I'm going to throw this in the oven for about 45 minutes. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Actually, I'm going to turn these so that all sides get nicely all saucy. So, we're going to put this in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. Then at the 45-minute mark, I'm going to flip them and I'm going to put them back in, except this time I'm going to put the oven up to 400, only for about 10-15 minutes. And it should be done. See you soon. Quick and easy roasted potatoes. Okay, we're going to cut up the potatoes into cubes. I got one more here to do. When I make roasted potatoes, I leave the skin on. And I'm also going to add an onion to that. Like that. Beautiful. Okay. Easy. We're going to put some olive oil. A little bit of the kosher salt. A handful, not even a quarter hand. Okay. We're going to put some paprika. And then I put a little bit of the Italian seasoning. Okay. We're going to mix that all up. And we're going to throw this in the oven at 350 for an hour. Beautiful. Okay. This is my nice roasting pan. So when it roasts, the air is going to circulate around the potato because it's on the rack. There you go. Those onions are going to be good too. Maybe I should add some peppers to this. You know what? Hold on, I'm going to add a few peppers. Okay. I'm going to cut the top off. take out the center. Beautiful. Actually, you know what? Look at that. And I'm going to throw that in there because we still have that seasoning in there. Nice and easy. Nice, quick dinner. Okay, let's move this for a second. Actually, I don't have to add much because there's a little bit of dressing still in the pan. Except I'm not going to put the paprika on the peppers. Done. We'll put these on the side. Yeah, I gotta get my hands in there. There. Beautiful. So we got the chicken in the oven. Now we're gonna put this. It's at 350 and I'm gonna put it in for 45 minutes and then I'll look at it, see, maybe we need, I'm thinking an hour. Okay, see you soon.